In this chapter, we are going to show you how to expand an expression with two terms times two terms in a systematic way. We will use a smiling face to complete this question. For this question, x minus 1 times x plus 3. There are four terms in this expression. They are x negative 1, x and positive 3. We draw two eyes first. The first eye is x times x. So we have x square. The second eye is negative 1 times positive 3. So we have negative 3. Time to draw the bottom part of the smiling face. We have a big smile and a small smile. For the big one, we have x times positive 3. That is positive 3x. The small one is negative 1 times x. We have negative x. Remember to check whether there are four terms after the expansion. This is not the end. There are two like terms, which are positive 3x and negative x. Combining them, positive 3 minus 1. We have positive 2x. Then, we can rearrange the order. The answer is x squared plus 2x minus 3. Let's talk about some common mistakes in performing factorization. In this question, obviously, the first step is to take out the common factor, x plus y. We write it down at the front first. Next, the most important part is to write down a pair of square brackets first. Then, we put 3a into a pair of round brackets and minus brackets a plus 2. Now, we have to remove the brackets. This is the step which is easy to make mistakes. We first write down x plus y. Next, we change the square brackets to round brackets. And we write 3a directly. For this bracket, the negative sign means negative 1. So we have negative 1 times a, which is negative a. Negative 1 times 2, which is negative 2. After that, copy bracket x plus y and combine the like terms. 3a minus a, which is 2a, then minus 2. We have to pay attention whether there are still common factors or not. We found that, for 2a minus 2, we can take out the common factor 2. So, the final answer is 2 times bracket x plus y times bracket a minus 1. The next part is advanced hints. This type of questions is quite common in our exercises and examinations. We found that the two terms are not exactly the same. We cannot take it out as a common factor directly. But they look so similar. This is x minus 2, while this one is 2 minus x. Their orders are reversed. Actually, we can still take it out as a common factor. But before that, we have to change this 2 minus x to something related to x minus 2 first. How can we do that? It is simple. we just simply take out the negative sign. Let me show you the steps. First, copy x times x minus 2 at the front. Next, we change the positive sign to a negative sign. Copy y. Then, we just reverse 2 minus x to x minus 2. You may ask, why? Because for 2 minus x, if we take out a negative sign, then, inside the bracket, we have negative 2 plus x. After rearranging the order, it becomes x minus 2. Okay, now we can take it out as a common factor. We write down bracket x minus 2 at the front, then a small bracket with x minus y. We got the answer. We learnt a very important skill in this question, which is, when we want to reverse the order in subtraction, we have to take out a negative sign.